Are you tired of your paintings looking overworked and muddy? Are you confused about all the conflicting advice and hundreds of colors to choose from? You've come to the right place. This was my palette when I first started painting. 30 plus colors and no idea what to do with them. And this is my palette now. Hey there, I'm Debbie with Watercolors That Glow, and as an award-winning published artist, I have talked to hundreds of learners, and one thing that I hear more than anything else is the frustration with not knowing how to create vibrant colors in a painting. Whether you are just beginning or have been painting for a while, this is a great place to start learning about painting with just 3 colors. Every week, I add new content to my channel, such as quick how-to videos, and the first chapter to all my tutorials available on my website membership. And I live stream a painting, one of my personal paintings that I'm working on for a few hours a week, showing how I paint with just 3 colors. And then it's available to watch as a replay. So click subscribe and follow along to learn all about painting with just 3 colors.